हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम. So today I'm gonna react on another N-Hyphen song and the song name is No Way Back. Let's get into the video without wasting any time. Okay. Okay, did you see the vampire teeth? I love when N-Hyphen have the vampire concept or something relatively included in their MV as a vampire thing. For now, it's going as a drawing, I think. The vocals are so good. N-Hyphen literally have the best and unique vocals. Okay. Okay, now members are here. Oh, the concept is so different than their other MV. No way, no way, no. What they are finding, it's kind of something they are finding in the video onto the map. It's looking like they're trying to find something. Whoa, this deep voice. I think this deep voice is Nikki voice, I think, or I am wrong. Tell me in the comment section. Because it is sounding like Nikki's voice. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love, whenever this line comes, it's so good. I have to say, N-Hyphen have, the vocals you rarely hear in K-pop. It's kind of the vocals are so distinguished than other groups. It's very different to me. Way back now. Whoa, the sudden voice literally took me, to, different level of satisfaction. The sudden tone shifted so good, I literally felt so good with it. Wait, no, back now. Okay. Let's see, I think this is the whole song. Let me be sure about it. This was the whole song, No Way Back. And I loved it. It was kind of, very, fresh air to me. It was so good. I literally loved it. It was doing wonders to me. The starting was so different, and then the way members was introduced, the way they were finding something, and the day, the vampire teeth and things are related to, few of the things of vampire. So I loved it. Everybody was looking so mysterious, and I loved the heavy, voice that was going on. I don't know if it is Nikki's voice, because I'm 50-50. I thought it is Nikki's voice, but I cannot be so sure about it. So please tell me in the comment section, is the deep voice related to Nikki or other member was singing it. And I think I love the lyrics. The lyrics was so, storytelling kind of thing, telling to motivate you and kind of, no way back now. It's good, I think. I hope you love my reaction. And I literally enjoyed, N-Hyphen songs. I think I reacted on three things, three MVs from N-Hyphen. This was my third one. And I loved it. They have the good concept, the vocals, the looks. And I think I have to follow this group more. So yeah, please, tell me in the comment section if you want me to react on their other videos. And yeah, I forgot to mention this song have somebody featuring Soyoon. So I don't know if who Soyoon is or not. So please tell me in the comment section. I didn't mention it before because I didn't notice somebody was featuring in it. So I'm sorry for it. And please like the video, subscribe to the channel so I can know you liking the content. And bye bye baby. I love you all.